Hello, everybody. Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you today? I am doing great, and I hope I find all of you the same. We are having a great day here, and it's even better when the BlackOut Baking Company arrives. Yes, inside here we've got the fragile cookies of the month, and we're going to get right into this. We're going to try them out and see how they did. Last month we had a lemon cream shortbread cookie and it was so divine. And this month we're going to find out what we have. They bake these fresh. They're $10 a box. There's usually 6 to 12 cookies in a box and it's $10 shipping no matter like if you buy 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, whatever. $10 shipping. And here's our box packed with the black crunchy kringle papers, and we got a sample cookie this month. Looks like we got some blackout cookies, and I want to say this might be the double chocolate. So yum. Got a sample. They do that periodically. This here's their card. It says, "Thank you for your order. You're awesome for supporting us. Your order contains blackout cookies. So it says microwave your cookies for 6 seconds for a great taste of like molten chocolate. And you can also put them in the oven for a few minutes. It says 375, 1 to 2 minutes. They have a great company. This is a gourmet cookie company, and they have a subscription, and they also have a local shop that they're putting together. And you can go out to blackoutbakingcompany.com. And you can find out more about them, and you can subscribe for gourmet cookies, or you can just order cookies for the season. So, you've got parties and stuff coming up for October. They bake on Tuesdays and Wednesdays and ship them out fresh every week. So, depending on your schedule and when you order, if you order before Tuesday, they'll bake them that Tuesday, Wednesday, and you'll get them that week. If you order after Tuesday, I'm pretty sure you won't get your cookies till the following week because it's past the baking schedule. But we have cookie of the month in here, and it's not telling me what the cookie of the month is on the sheet. And I usually get the coconut macaroons, but I did have her change my order because my husband and I love their cookies, their cookie of the month so well. I decided we should each have our own box. So I have 2 boxes of the cookie of the month. And again, that's how they were in the box. So they do decorate it a little bit, and they have their little blackout cookie box. They always have it tied around with a string. And this month's cookie is glazed apple cider cookie. Yum, that sounds good. And just to let you know, I did get 2 boxes of the same cookie. So I'm going to open up one and we're going to try it out. Untie it here. This is a family-owned business. It's a young woman named Shanna that cooks these cookies fresh. She started off probably doing what a lot of us do. You might send cookies to school or have a sidewalk sale. And now she's growing into a much larger organization. The cookies come like this. So they're packaged for freshness. And I can already tell these look so delicious. I'm going to cut into this and we're going to try one out. And again, the name of the cookie was glazed apple cider cookie. So here we go. They're very moist. You can see the cinnamon on top. Almost like eating like a piece of apple pie. Very good. I highly recommend this company. And you can order just cookies. You don't have to subscribe. If you want to just order some gourmet cookies for a special holiday like Halloween coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or you got a birthday party or something, or some other special occasion, you can order their cookies. And depending on the month will depend what cookie they have. As far as right now, you can get this glazed apple cider cookie, which is delicious. It melts in your mouth. And I think I told y'all, if you've had a really good snickerdoodle cookie, and you know how the texture is, that's what these remind me of. They're not snickerdoodles, but the texture and the smoothness and the way they melt in your mouth, they're just so delicious. So again, this is the BlackOut Baking Company, and I highly recommend these cookies. And you can usually buy them like in a small, medium, and large. I think the large cookie box has 36 cookies, and of course the prices range a little different. I think 24 cookies or 12 to 24 might be $19. It really depends, I think, on what kind of cookie, because as you can see, they have like some dark chocolate cookies. And maybe we should try this out while we have it here. They have chocolate chip, they have peanut butter, they have sugar cookies. They have a variety of cookies, and you can also buy a variety pack. So let's try this out. Looks like a double fudge chocolate. Tastes like a brownie. And again, it melts in your mouth. Delicious. I need to have my coffee over here. I drink coffee all day. These would go great with that. Okay. I gotta be able to talk here. You know what? It has a little bit of salt on top, so I'm sure that's like a sea salt on top, so you get that sweet, salty taste. All yummy. Just delicious. Very, very delicious. So go check out BlackOut Baking Company. I've got my cookie of the month, and we're all done with this particular video. And I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and participating, supporting my channel. I really love you guys. You just don't know how much I appreciate you. I'm at 250, maybe just a little over, and I'm going to be having a 250 subscriber giveaway here pretty soon. So be looking for that video to be coming out with all the details of when it's going to be effective and what you can win. And also, I would like for you to consider subscribing, and that's a good reason to do so if you like to participate in giveaways. Hit that notification bell, that way you'll know all my videos when they're coming out. And also, if you'd give me a comment, liking and commenting on our videos really helps us out a lot, but not so much that, we always want your help. We like to interact with you, or I like to interact with you. I like to know about how things are going, if you like what I've shown you, if you have a favorite, if you have questions. It is a two-way street, and it's the way we become friends. So yes, come be part of the family and give us a like, and just come and be part of the family. We just would welcome each and every one of you, and like I said, I really appreciate my current subscribers. And as always, I want you all to have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.